Did you know 90% of hacks happen because of simple mistakes? You might be making one of these 10 mistakes right now and putting your data at risk. But don't worry, because I'm going to show you how to fix them fast. Let's get started. If your password is 123456, password, or even your pet's name, you're an easy target for hackers. Hackers use automated tools to guess thousands of passwords per second. The solution? Use a password manager and create strong, unique passwords for each account. You get an email saying, "Urgent! Your bank account is locked. Click here to fix it." You panic and click, but stop! That's a phishing scam. Scammers send fake emails to steal your login info. Always check the sender's email address, hover over links before clicking, and never enter personal details on shady websites. Those annoying "Update your software now" pop-ups. Don't ignore them. Hackers love outdated software because it has security holes they can exploit. Updates patch these vulnerabilities, keeping you safe. Set your devices to auto-update. You're at a coffee shop. You connect to free Wi-Fi. And boom, hackers can see everything you do. Public Wi-Fi is a playground for cybercriminals. Use a VPN to encrypt your data, or turn on your mobile hotspot instead. If a hacker steals your password, two-factor authentication can still stop them. With two-factor authentication, even if they guess your password, they still need a code from your phone. Turn on two-factor authentication on all important accounts. Ever posted a pic of your plane ticket or your birthday? Stop. Hackers can use this info to reset your passwords. Share less personal data online. If an app looks too good to be true, it probably is. Always check reviews and permissions before installing. Do you use Google Chrome, Edge, or Firefox? Most people don't change their security settings. Turn on Enhanced Safe Browsing in Chrome for extra protection. If you get a link saying, "You won a free iPhone," don't click it. Always verify links before clicking. Use VirusTotal to scan suspicious links. Imagine losing everything overnight: photos, files, work. Back up your data, now using Google Drive, OneDrive, or an external hard drive. Now that you know these 10 mistakes, which one were you guilty of? Tell me in the comments.